6 powerful reasons to apply castor oil before beta's nutrition experts. We are constantly amazed and inspired by the incredible benefits that certain oils can provide for our health. One oil that stands out among the rest is castor oil. This oil is truly a treasure trove of health benefits. Today, I want to take you on a journey to explore all the amazing things that castor oil can do. By the end of this exploration, you'll be just as impressed as we are by the incredible power of castor oil. Reason 1. AIDS and sleep disorders are a common problem that many people face. If you struggle to get a good night's sleep, know that you are not alone. Insomnia can be a real challenge, affecting not only your rest but also your daily performance and overall quality of life. While many people turn to sleep medications for help, it's important to consider natural alternatives like castor oil, which can offer significant benefits for sleep. Insomnia can manifest in different ways, from difficulty falling asleep to frequent awakenings during the night. This disrupted sleep cycle can lead to persistent fatigue and negatively impact your daily activities. Overusing sleep medications can also be a concern. Castor oil provides a natural alternative to improve sleep quality. One simple solution is to apply a small amount of castor oil to your eyelids before bed. This method promotes relaxation and helps you fall asleep naturally and gently. If applying it directly to your eyelashes is not your preference, you can try aromatherapy. Mix castor oil with essential oils like peppermint, lavender, or rose, and apply the mixture to your temples. This will have a soothing effect and promote a deeper and more peaceful sleep. The combination of these essential oils with castor oil enhances the relaxing benefits, creating a synergy that contributes to improved sleep quality. So, if you're struggling with sleep issues and looking for a natural solution, castor oil may be just what you need. Trying simple techniques like applying it to your eyelids or using aromatherapy can be the first step in enhancing your sleep experience holistically, without the side effects associated with traditional medications. But before we move on to the next reason, I want to share a quick note with you. Some of the benefits of castor oil might surprise you. So stay tuned, because I know you, like me, are always looking for ways to enhance your well-being. Reason 2. Improves joint health. Improving joint health is another significant benefit of castor oil. This versatile oil has been used throughout history for its healing properties, especially when it comes to joint pain and swelling. Let's take a closer look at how castor oil plays a crucial role in promoting joint health. Specific components in castor oil have anti-inflammatory properties that effectively reduce joint inflammation. This is important because chronic inflammation can be detrimental to joints, causing discomfort and limiting movement. Castor oil not only soothes inflammation, but also actively contributes to the healing process of the joints. One of the remarkable benefits of castor oil is its ability to deeply lubricate the joints, penetrating the skin and tissues. This significantly improves movement and reduces the pain associated with joint stiffness. Additionally, by increasing blood flow to the joints, castor oil plays a vital role in delivering nutrients and oxygen needed for healing. It also helps remove toxins, reducing swelling and discomfort. Castor oil doesn't just provide immediate relief. It also strengthens muscles and ligaments, relieving pressure on the joints and promoting long-term joint health. Moreover, castor oil acts as an effective fighter against oxidative stress in the joints. Controlling this stress is crucial, as it can damage joints and surrounding tissues. Reason 3. Promotes healthy digestion. Castor oil is a valuable ally in promoting intestinal health and offers significant benefits for those struggling with irregular bowel movements. If you have difficulty using the bathroom, castor oil can be an effective solution to stimulate regular bowel movements and maintain a balanced digestive system. Castor oil's ability to help the intestines push food is particularly beneficial for those dealing with constipation. By stimulating intestinal function, castor oil relieves the discomfort associated with difficulty evacuating. Additionally, castor oil acts as a cleansing agent for the intestines, helping to eliminate unwanted waste. This is especially valuable for those exposed to pollution or consuming unhealthy foods. Castor oil is also effective in reducing abdominal swelling, which can be caused by various factors such as stress, poor diet, or illness. Reducing abdominal swelling not only provides relief from pain and discomfort, but also contributes to maintaining a healthy digestive system. In addition to these benefits, castor oil promotes an environment conducive to the growth of good bacteria in the stomach. These bacteria are essential for gastrointestinal health, preventing stomach problems and maintaining a balanced digestive system. Reason 4. Great for dry skin. If you're tired of dealing with persistent dry skin, even after trying various creams and lotions, castor oil may be the solution you've been looking for. This oil offers a natural and effective approach to keeping your skin hydrated, combating dehydration in a sustainable way. The secret behind castor oil's ability to maintain skin moisture lies in its ricinoleic acid content. This acid plays a crucial role in preserving skin hydration, offering an effect similar to many conventional moisturizers. Using pure castor oil allows you to avoid additional ingredients that can potentially irritate the skin. Not only is castor oil effective, but it's also an affordable option compared to commercial products. You can use it on your entire body, not just your face, to keep your skin soft and hydrated. Many people choose to mix castor oil with other pleasant oils like coconut or almond to further enhance its moisturizing benefits. However, it's always recommended to perform a patch test by applying a small amount to the back of your hand to check for any allergic reactions before fully incorporating castor oil into your skincare routine. Reason 5. Healthier, more lustrous hair. Castor oil is a valuable ally in promoting hair health and beauty, offering a range of benefits from strengthening to stimulating growth. Similar to coconut oil, castor oil is gaining popularity for its ability to transform hair, making it healthier and shinier. By applying castor oil to your hair, you can experience remarkable improvements. The oil is known to boost hair growth, making strands thicker and stronger, and in some cases, even accelerating growth. This is due to increased blood flow to the hair roots, which contributes to hair regeneration. Additionally, castor oil is effective in detangling hair, making it easier to style and preventing knots. If you struggle with excessively tangled hair that forms hard knots, castor oil can be an effective solution to soften and untangle your strands. For optimal benefits, there are specific practices you can adopt. If you're dealing with hair loss, studies indicate that the ricinoleic acid present in castor oil may affect certain hormones related to this issue. Applying the oil to your eyebrows and eyelashes is also a common practice to stimulate their growth and strengthen them. For a more intensive treatment, apply castor oil to your hair before bed and cover it with a shower cap. In the morning, gently comb your hair to see the results of the overnight treatment. Afterward, wash your hair in the shower with shampoo and conditioner. You may need to wash your hair twice to completely remove the oil. Reason 6. Relief from constipation. Difficulty using the bathroom is a common issue that many people face, but it's nothing to be overly concerned about. Castor oil is an effective solution, acting as a natural laxative to relieve constipation. Many people have reported positive results, and experts agree that castor oil is a beneficial option for this purpose. The mechanism of action of castor oil as a laxative involves stimulating the intestinal muscles and facilitating the movement of food through the intestine. This effect can be particularly helpful for people facing constipation or needing to clean their intestines for medical procedures such as colonoscopy exams. When taken orally, castor oil optimizes intestinal function by transforming within the body. Scientific studies have proven the effectiveness of castor oil in relieving constipation. In research involving elderly individuals, it was observed that castor oil facilitated bowel movements, making them easier and less tiring. Additionally, castor oil is often recommended as an effective method for emptying the intestines before medical exams. It's important to note that moderation is key when using castor oil as a laxative. Excessive consumption can lead to stomach pain, diarrhea, or cramps. If you have concerns about long-term health, it's advisable to seek the advice of a healthcare professional before using castor oil. Apart from castor oil, there are natural alternatives to combat constipation, including foods like yogurt and kefir. These products contain good bacteria that promote intestinal health and help soften stools. Choosing nutrient-rich foods like beans and soups is also beneficial due to their potassium, folic acid, zinc, and vitamin B6 content, which contribute to relieving constipation. Castor oil has been a trusted remedy for various health concerns, enhancing hair, skin, and digestion. To ensure its effectiveness, always choose high-quality castor oil from reputable sources.